Hey Waddles, it's day 5 already. Can you believe that? Oh wow, what are we going to do today? Well, I was thinking maybe we should put a wreath on our front door. Would that be a good idea? Yay! Okay, where are you going to sit? By the candle? No, because you're paper and you might burn. So where are you going to sit? Okay, all right, okay, he wants to sit up where the camera is and he's going to watch from there. Okay, you stay there until the end. Okay? Yeah, you look a bit wobbly. I really want to do a door with a wreath on it. I know. I just get these ideas in my head and it just has to happen. Right, so I think what I'll do is I'll just cut this bit off. Hopefully this will work. Oops, way too much there. So I could cut there. Maybe there. And there. And it'll look a bit like a front door. It does look a bit like a front door. I like it. Okay. And at Christmas, obviously, people put wreaths on their doors. So I wanted to do that. I usually do buy one. I don't usually make mine, I have to admit. Just because they're just not that easy, I don't think, to make. So I've got all these bits here that I found in my little, my little treasure box here. And I might dig into it a bit more, but we're going to have a go. I found this. And it's going to cover most of the door. Now I'm wondering if I can make this door wider. Oh, I could. Maybe I'll do a bit of patching. And let's have a look. It's just an offcut from somewhere. I'm not sure where it came from, as per most of my stuff. Oh, I haven't cut it straight, have I? But I could cut that bit off, and that would work like that, I think. Right, we are a bit faffy about this today because I'm not quite prepared. Is it that way? Yeah, that line. I'm going to stick it down. Oh, you know what we haven't done? We haven't lit our candle. I've started without my candle. So let's light our candle and chill out. Have a little bit of Christmas. And we will put down a front door, hopefully. Do you make your own? Or do you buy yours? I'm just being nosy. No judgment. I just want to know if anybody actually has time to make them. Go and gather everything. Oh, it'd be nice, wouldn't it? Go and gather all your holly and your greeneries and your berries and make your own. Time is the problem. There we go. There's our front door. And we're just going to add this. I think it's not a sticker, so we're going to have to struggle with the glue again. It's a start. It's my everlasting circle. Because that's what a wreath represents, isn't it? Everlasting circle. I'm going to pop that on. And then we're just going to decorate it. That's the fun bit. The everlasting circle of life. No end, no beginning. And I've got some little bits and pieces that I can put on. I like this. I might put this at the bottom. Let's just do a little bit of a test. I've got some of this. I've got bows. Maybe I don't... Oh, no. They're not bows. They're scarves. They're like for snowmen. Oh, we'll have to do a snowman page. I've got poinsettia. I've got some candles. Sort of. They're the only things I had. I might put them down at the bottom of the page. Sort of welcoming light. What else have I got? I've got another bow. I don't know. I could make a natural one instead. I could do like natural colours. Maybe we'll try that instead of these. They look a bit bright. Oh. That looks a bit unstuck. Come back to the middle, Carol. You don't know where you're going. Let's have a look, because I'm going to go... I think I'm going to go more natural instead of that. So I've got some really sweet little bows and things. Oh, I like that one. I do like that one. Somehow. Now I've got a fir cone. And I thought, I must use them. And this is turning out to be perfect because they're quite tiny. So they're going quite well in this tiny book. I'll get out a lot, but I'm probably not going to... Look how little this is. I don't know what some of these little things are. What's this, a star there? I was hoping I had some candles, but I haven't. I can't count them. Right. I think I've probably got enough. So let's glue these. These were stickers. And all I did was back them onto the white paper again. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to see. So, a nice little welcoming light into your house at Christmas. And I'll pop this little bow, I think, is really pretty. We'll put this one on. I was looking up, because I do a lot of research when I'm doing my videos. So wreaths are hung on front doors by families to welcome the spirit of Christmas. And I thought that was quite lovely. I did like that idea. What do you think? I'm just going to stick these down. I think this is a bit too big. Maybe it could go at the bottom here. Oh, they're very pingy. They ping. Oh no, it's definitely too big. We're gonna move them round, and I'm gonna put this star up here. I like that arrangement. So let's just glue them down. And it's also, if you know any other meanings, I'll be happy to be put right. But I think it's a nice little tradition. Oh, are we going to put this on? Maybe here. Oh, I could put that on. Let's just put it on because it's sitting there and we don't want to lose it. So it can go here. Oh. And then this big cone. And go at the top. Let's just stick them down. I haven't got a lot of time today, guys. It's very busy, and I've got my light on. So I do apologise if the light is very strange, because I'm filming, obviously, before work. I've just popped my jumper on because it's a bit chilly, and I thought I must make a video for the 5th. Five. Let's put our 5 on. Oh, I'll pop it up here. Don't really know what to put for my quote, but I'm thinking I could probably add a little bit somewhere. Sorry, that was my phone. Oh, what about, I haven't got a lot to write, so I could just write something on the back of here. Very, very tiny. How about we'll just put the circle of ever, oh, I can't fit it in, lasting life. Oh my goodness, I fitted it in. I could have written smaller at the start, maybe. And we're going to pop that in there like that. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I've had so much fun with this. I'm sorry it's a very, very short one. Some of them will be. Okay, I'm sure you've got plenty of things you've got to be doing, so I'm going to keep them nice and short. But I just want to do something every day. See you tomorrow. Bye.